Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to block dangerous websites on Brave browser. So to start, open Brave browser app on your mobile. Now, once you open the app, at the bottom, tap on the three dots. Next, tap on all settings. Now in here, you have a lot of options. So what you need to do is to scroll down a bit and under features, tap on shields and privacy. Next, scroll down a bit and look for Other Privacy Settings. Now, under Other Privacy Settings, look for Block Dangerous Websites. Once you see it, toggle it on. So tap on this button right here at the right side to enable it, just like that. Now, once you enable that, safe browsing protects against websites which are known to be dangerous. So if it's gray, that means it's turned off. So just make sure to enable it. Now at the bottom, you can also enable screen time, allow privacy preserving product analytics, automatically send daily usage ping to Brave, and etc. And that's how you can block dangerous websites on Brave browser. So again, open Brave browser app, go to the three dots, tap on all settings, tap on shields and privacy, scroll down to other privacy settings, and just enable block dangerous websites. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.